video, I'm showing you how to make chocolate dipped peanut butter and marshmallow balls. They are like the Reese's Buttercups, but even tastier and sweeter. And of course, here's me eating one. Delish. Ingredients you'll need: 1 cup of peanut butter, smooth or crunchy, 1.5 cups of icing sugar, a handful of marshmallows, and 30 grams of butter. Handful of melting chocolate buttons. So you're going to melt the marshmallows in the microwave for 1 minute. Then to the bowl, you are going to add your 1 cup of peanut butter and softened butter, 30 grams, and you're going to give that a mix. Once all mixed together, then you're going to add your 1.5 cups of icing sugar. I mixed it, then I used my hands to mix it all together. Now I'm going to roll in some balls. Once all rolled, I'm going to get my chocolate and I'm going to melt it in the microwave. And I'm going to add a splash of oil and give that a mix. Then I'm going to dip all my balls, put them on a lined baking tray or silicone mat, put them in the fridge to cool, and then you're ready to enjoy the delicious peanut butter and chocolate dip marshmallow balls.